What up guys, the OEX Testnet application is already out, and we're going to be binding our Satoshi app on this application so that we can also make withdrawals into this application. All right, so I'll be showing you step by step in this video how to get started, how to get everything going, set up your app and be part of this testnet, and also how you can participate in all this mission and make it a successful one. Now I want you to also have it in mind right now, as at this time of this video the application is not yet fully functional, so there are some things that are going to be a little bit buggy and some are going to really take your time before they are going to work. So guys, you have to be patient when you are participating or when you are trying to do anything with this application. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you need to stick to this video till the end. Alright, so once you click on the link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you to this page over here. This is where you are going to download the application, so make sure you download the first one. I don't know, the others might work, but this is the one I downloaded. So I clicked on this place and I downloaded the application directly. But in case if it doesn't work for you, you can also try the first and the second and the third one. All right, but I'm sure the first one will work for you, and you can likewise take your time to read what is written here so you understand everything. All right, so once you finish downloading, you have to install the application, and once you install, you are going to log into your application. Now let's go into the app and I'll show you where to start from. If you install the application, you're going to see this interface. Although you won't see this one that says sign in, you are going to see this and this if this is your first time opening this application. All right, so if you did not participate in the testnet earlier on before this application came out, you can just all you have to do is just to sign up. Click on sign up, then you create a new account. All you have to do is to make your put in a 4-digit code that you can always remember in order for your account. That is just how it works. Now if you have been participating in the testnet before now, you can just use the import button, and you are going to import your MetaMask what secret phrase, the recovery phrase you use in your MetaMask. So it's going to bring back your account that you used in participating in the testnet earlier on. It's just going to come back here, and you're just going to create a pin code for your app. All right, so your account is going to be saved. You're going to get everything. As for me, I did the import. I used importation, so I imported my secret phrase from MetaMask, and that is how I got my account back. So I'm just going to sign in right here for you guys to see. Yeah, you can see I'm already in my application, and as you can see on my dashboard, you can see that I already have some funds there. That was because I participated in the testnet earlier on my MetaMask wallet. So that was when I got this 10 USDT, which is over here. I got this 10 USDT. I was able to swap some, and I got 8 OEX, which is over here. So guys, but I want you guys to understand that all these funds you are seeing here are not transferable. You can't withdraw them. They are just they are just for test only. You can't withdraw them. They have no value. Actually, they have no value. It's just dust, you know. So guys, don't think you can get this and use it to transfer or do any other thing. All right, so quickly, once you get into the app is looking good, nice interface and a user-friendly interface. Okay, so that is it over here. So you can take your time to also take a tour in the app. There's hub over here. You can see the hub section where you can see swap and faucet. Every other section, every other thing is not yet functional, is not yet active, only the swap and the faucet. Okay, so now you can see there's a trading section where you can trade the tokens that are available on this app. So you can trade OES, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade some other thing. Although everything is not fully functional yet, you can see these are the tokens that are available here that you can trade. All right, so the next one is to go to mission. Now once you go to the mission, this is where everything is really happening. This is where you are once you get into the app, this is the main place you need to come to do a whole lot of stuff. All right, because there are a whole lot of missions here that will help you understand better how the testnet and how everything is supposed to be done. All right, so the first one here says mission E. So on the mission E, what you're supposed to do is to bind your email, your Satoshi email address. You have to bind that with this application. All you have to do is to put in your Satoshi email address over here, then you put in the country, the region, the country that is in that you use for your Satoshi application. You should make sure you put it here, and you make sure it is the country where you are right now, your location, your current location. All right, it has to be the same thing. So all you have to do is to click on the flag, or let's say the name. You can see over here it is written Indonesia, so you just have to click on it, then it will bring out a list of different countries for you. Then you select the one that's below where you belong, where you are. So I think there are some countries that are restricted from this, so if you're in those countries, I'm sorry, you won't be able to participate in this. So guys, right, so I'm just going to select the country where I'm located right now over here. That's the same country on my Satoshi application. I'm just going to select it. All right, country selected already, so I'm just going to put in my email address, the email I use for the Satoshi application. That's what I'm going to put over here. So you make sure you do the same thing also. All right, so I'm done with that. I just have to click on submit. I hope this thing works because the app has not been really functioning well since. It shows error, something went wrong. All right, so I think I'm going to try this again later on. So guys, if you see the same error, have patience and try it again later. I told you the app is not fully functional, so this is something you can still do later on. All right, now let's go to the next one. All right, so for the next mission, let's check the mission X. So once you click on mission X, it's going to definitely ask you to do some tasks on your X app, that's Twitter. All right, so let's click on mission X and see what happens next. Over here, what you're supposed to do is to write your Twitter username. So I'm going to quickly write mine is Urban Time Tech. Then once you finish writing, you click on next. All right, so the next step, click on next step. All right, so once you click on the next step, this is what you're going to see. And what you have to do here now is to click on this box. Let me just show you. Click on this box over here. You click on it, it's going to copy. Click on it, it's going to copy everything in this box for you. All right, you can do it this way. You select all, then you click on copy. Then once you copy, you have to go to your Twitter handle, go to your Twitter account. Let's quickly do that and I'll show you what to do next. Twitter handle this way, all you have to do is to click on the plus sign, which is over here. Then you click on this feather that says post. You click on it, then you are just going to paste whatever you just copied right now. You paste it over here, then you just post it. So once you post it, you will just have to copy the link of this post. Then this is it, this is what we just posted. So you copy this link, click on this share button icon, which is over here. You can see it over here. Click on it and you are going to copy the link. All right, click on copy link. Yes, it has been copied. Now I have to go back to the application. All right, so back here, all you need to do is to paste it in this second box over here. Paste the link over there. All right, it has changed. All right, so all you need to do now is to submit this. Let's check status. All right, the status has to be checked. Okay, it has checked 1 2 3. All right, 4, all is finished. So I have to click on the finish mission now. Click on it to prove that it has been done. All right, now you can see you get to this page. This proves that you finished the mission completely. So this was successful. All right, so now let's go back and check for the other mission. All right, now let's check out the mission T. Mission T has to do with Telegram, so let's click it. All right, what you need to do now is to click on copy everything in this box over here. Let's copy it. All right, command copy. Very good. Now we'll go to the Telegram and we'll send this to this bot. This is the name of the bot over here. So you go to Telegram and you send it to this bot over here. So let's go to Telegram and we'll look for this bot and send what we just copied. Let's go. All right, so once you get to your Telegram this way, use this search box, use this search icon, which is over here. Click on it and you are going to search for the bot itself. So the bot is, you type the bot over here, which is AGX _ bots. All right, I already have the bots on my Telegram, but I just want to show you guys how to locate it. Okay, so once you type it this way, the bot is going to prompt up. It's going to come up under the search. Let's wait for this to show up. So here is the bot, the first one. Just click on it and click on it. Okay, so you just wait few seconds for the bot to load very well, and it's going to tell you to start. All right, so let's wait few seconds. All right, so once the bot finish loading, you are going to see it's looking like this. Now all you have to do is to click on the start button over here. All right, after clicking on start, the bot is supposed to prompt me with another question before I paste the address. But anyway, let me paste the address. It seems the bot is also not working very well right now. Let me paste it. All right, then this way if okay, now nothing happens, so meaning I have to try this again. So guys, you can also do this again. If the bot doesn't work, you have to try it all over again, because things are not really functioning well right now. I don't know why. Maybe we have to complain to on their Twitter handle, or we look for their support and complain. So these things are not really functioning well, but this is what you're supposed to do. And once this is done, it's going to also let you know that it's successful, and you are going to notice in the application that you have already binded your wallet address with this bot. Okay, now let's go back to the app. All right, so back in the application, now this is still showing this way because it was not yet successful. So guys, you can also do the same thing later on. The bot is currently not working very well, it's not active. I don't know why. So you have to do the same thing later on in order to make sure it is active. Once it's successful, this page is not also going to be looking like this. It's going to be looking different to let you know it was successful. All right, so now we have mission L and mission Z. Now the mission L that is here, it will require, let me show you. All right, now mission L will require you finish with mission Z before you can be able to get this one going. All right, so because you need to definitely swap USDT to OEX, or also swap OEX to AGI in order for you to make this a good one, you understand, for you to pass this mission L. So quickly let me do some swapping. All you need to do, why I said you need mission Z, is because once you finish with mission Z, I've already done that because I had to. It was a test, it was a quiz that you need to pass. So I did this long time ago with my MetaMask. So once I imported my address, that's why this is showing passed already. Okay, so all you need to do is to pass the quiz. Once you pass the quiz, you will be given 10 USDT as test for you to once you have the USDT on your balance, you have to go to swap, or let's say trade. Swap or trade. Let's go to the swap, and what you need to do is to swap maybe from USDT to AG. Let's click here to AGI. To get to the swap section, you have to change your token to the one you want to swap it to. You have to change it over here to AGI. So once you change to AGI, you write the amount you want to swap from the USDT. Let's just put like 5. All right, want to swap like 5 USDT, and we'll be getting 6. All right, then you click on swap. Let's see. I think it has been successful, because you can see over here, the balance has changed to 5. It's no longer 10. So it has been successful. Now let's go back to the mission L and see what happened next. All right, okay, now good, this has been done. You can see everything now has shown that we have it has been successful. You can see everything has been tick green, meaning it was good. So all I need to do now is to click on submit. Now you see why I said you guys need to participate in the mission Z before you get to mission L, because with the mission Z you'll be able to get a 10 USDT that you can swap to OEX and AGI in order for you to pass the mission L. So that's just how it works. Then I've gotten mission Z, mission L, they are all perfectly done. Mission X is also done. Now I only have issue with mission E and mission T. That's because of the app is not responding very well. So guys, in case you also you're also facing this issue, make sure you keep trying till you get them done. All right, so it's not your fault, just have patience and keep trying every time. It's going to work out. Okay, so now let's check on the setting. Now on the setting of this application, once you click on setting, now for those of you that just created your account, you should make sure you back up your seed phrase. Back up by clicking here, you get a private key, so make sure you copy it and save it somewhere for next time. You understand? So copy it and save it somewhere to back up your account. All right, that is it. So that is just a simple way you can participate in this testnet, and also how you can bind your application, your Satoshi app to this testnet application. All right, so that is just the simple thing. Now guys, I'll be giving you guys more updates about this in my WhatsApp group, that's in my community in general, Telegram channel. I'll be giving you guys updates and be posting a lot of stuff about this project along the line. So if you are not there, you need to join us there. The community is doing fine. We have a lot of people. There are a whole lot of admins there that will also be posting a lot of stuff for you guys in case I'm not available. So guys, that's the simple things you need to understand about this project. All right, so guys, make sure you continue mining on your Satoshi application. It's not yet over until it's over. Keep mining, be active and accumulate more, and hopefully there are new projects coming up on that Satoshi application, so make sure you don't joke with it. keep it, and keep inviting people to also download, and you're also going to be earning more. So that's just it. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.